Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why. Yo, so just turn me down just a little, my voice down just a little, easy bit. Yeah. Yeah, 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 that's good, that's beautiful right there. Yeah, yeah. Yo, I'm the C-O, double M-O, to the end. You heard my well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city of Win. Straight doing it. I am doing it. C-O, double M-O, to the end. You heard my well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city of Win. Straight doing it. Yo, what the? It's going down, nigga, you sound like a real bitch right now, the pound I gave you, I knew I shouldn't have gave you. Before you was a hoe, now you think the money made you a slave to the rhythm. Indention serving a wisdom. Clinton is the best, but I voted for Shirley Chisholm in a poetical prison. I'm visiting South for hours. Coward niggas get shanked for kicking. Pussy raps, radio, it's like COs, they try to push me back. I rip cats out of they suits, give them they hoodies back. I'm from the hood, we stack. Black fist, ooh, ooh, ah, is the sound of blackness. These new school cats is classless, influenced by rap shit, front money, but hustle backwards. I break bread with bras, they got they masters, and hypes that plaster. Lawyers that work faster, and young ghetto bastards became childlike with the way I style right and act. Cause children naturally react, respond to the calm as a poet. I'ma last like a dime, cause I'm like that, yo. A phenom without shit on my arm. You can't coerce a verse, I'ma rhyme when I wanna get up and rhyme. Some say I'm spaced like John Glenn cause of the places I've been. I embrace, survive, spin, been through cases of Heineken. Return to orbit on some shit that's anti-corporate in a wild style. Orchard gay rappers is getting tortured for tossing salads. You imbalance, you rap about violence too much. I go on blind dates with mine, stay saying go Dutch. At my shows the law show up, they be thinking it's a hold up. So many hands go up, but with the band I'm colder. Money folder. You want a fresh style? Let me show you. I'm the C-O, double M-O, to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city to Win. Straight doing it. I am doing it. C-O, double M-O, to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city to Win.
It's Tony Toca, the one that got you screaming, esa loca. Dale huevo, it's my mic, let go my ego. Spanish Harlem, all the way to San Diego. Make it happen, you know, like moving yayo. Except my product, that shit's far from narcotics. Mantequilla, not manteca or sensimilla. Coco Brothers, Hurricane, mira. Tone Touch, Son Doobie, eating fajitas. Chillin' in a b-boy stance in my Adidas. While senoritas be screaming, buenos dias. Rock steady, by now, you know the stilo. Mi Corillo still gets down on the Lilo. Soy Taino, Indian, welcome to my TP. Pop in the CD, and let's get freaky. Melaza, Guata Uva, en la casa, Boricua, about to pass it off to the Rasta.
It's the El Generano. Tell your bop way with the hydro. It's the chocolito, make my eyes low. Piti Yatumbe with me and my man. Trying to double our ends with the El Capitan. En ti amor es Dios bodega. What you entrega? Female translator, I am my hueva. Undressing me, thinking about sexing me. While I had fed one of my talmen me.
Blazing, kicking lingo with this gringo who got hot making the pesos in Santo Domingo. El Socio used to go to the Acapulcos every weekend, tricking on chulas he was meeting. But on the streets of Harlem around the Grand Concourse, he had to force a local amigos he used to boss. Ay Dios míos, just like El Niños, El Corazón del Está Frío y Poro como Perico.
Harlem got the pics in it.
Boogie Woogie got the cake in it.
Brooklyn keeps on taking
Queens cats been making it.
I do this for my soldiers in the streets who stand toast to toast with the cousin asleep, making illegal transactions, worldwide connections. Thought something changed like the name Smith & Wesson. See me come true in my nigga Clep Q. Order 650 blowing up the Gramps tune. Mob beat, super trap, slaying your street bikes. Like a killing over dealing for the pearly white.
Blowing down your motherfucking roof. It be Hurricane G subwoofing out your ass. From First Ave up through Park. From the heart, representando for my niggas in Spanish Harlem. Niggas who don't give a fuck. And my bitches box cut, something up tribal. So get the hydro, cause we gonna keep it live all night, y'all. Yeah, one love to my fam in Boricua land. My hermanito sparking up trees. 112 Buddha Kings, barking up Puerto Rican cream, smacking on rice and beans. And you know my hermanitas keep it real. In 10 boots or high heels.
Try your best to diagnose. When I host, you get to roast, toast, baked, grilled, broad. When I rumble, you crumble. My stuff is good like Modungo. Soup. Rappers getting super and rugged, while I'll unplug it with my semantics into rugged and exposed. You know how it goes when it be gritty. When we roll, it's like we got the key to the city. It won't be pretty for you to challenge, knock you off balance. Bitter, reconsider your talent. You weasel, you're better off pumping diesel. I find it feasible. Your days is over fronting evil. Shouting to your people trying to bless your spot, but we don't believe that, cause CBS tells a lot on who got shot and who does all the crime. Danger! And you do it all the time.
When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
Danger! When the East is in the house.
Oh my God. God.
When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
Danger! When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
Danger! When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
Danger! When the East is in the house.
Oh my God.
And when we in the house, ain't no time to act shiesty. Come at us feisty to your ass, that is pricey. Costing, you get baked like Mr. Boston. Beans in a box, you need more strength than just locks. I rock hardcore, even when I dress suited. On some business shit, my street is deep rooted. What is this shit? Rappers want to blossom, but they all a costume. Thinking we buffoon, I tell you soon you'll learn the hard way. Thames and blunts, going Broadway to the theater. Hard rocks is getting weirder, like Vera. From islands, the east is in your palace on some proper shit, and it will never be the opposite.
I'm taking the back, come follow me on a journey to see a for real MC. The mind tricks the body, body thinks the mind is crazy. Whatever's lazy, when I get the flow, I'm Swayze. I break, you take whatever type of shit the naked buckshot make. The incredible, lyrical and original. You can kill a bull if you wanna take a pull. Whatever I see, I attack, tack. Fuck off my back, black nigga, fuck that. The devil lurks and my heart irks for the hell. Look into the eyes of a nigga who fell. I hit my head on the concrete to beat the feet. Another dead nigga in the street. Bullseye, direct hit, don't miss. But how many MCs must get this? Break it down like whatever you want. You wanna like this, I hit you this, but you get this when I piss. Miss the buckshot, rockin' out quick. Bitch, get off my dick. I rope 'em up and boot 'em up, then shoot 'em up. Whatever, I'm clever because I wear my leather in the winter. I enter the stage, nigga cock a gauge, I bust some off, so I'm awful. And then I leave the stage, I'm just a crazy maniac, murder type thinking. You're shitting, your ass thinking, I see you blinking, I wet him. Then forget him, never should have bet him. But he was talking shit to my man, so I had to get him. Yep, you can get the fist, whatever. But how many MCs must get this?
Never been a sign. I was having B-R-E-I-D way before this rap game, nigga. Been time. Thought you daisy, shazing. Niggas remember? Earl Branton, Denell, them boys from Vallejo. And every light is automatic. Burn rapper. See my focus in the traffic. What's up, Burn? Follow that cap, it got dope in. My nigga Shoke got some housing.
I'm always hearing rappers big ballin' on they songs. I do that shit for real and you'll never say I'm wrong. S500 straight sitting on 20s. TV in the dash, pimpin' hoes, getting money. I'm too short, baby, been down since the 80s. For the last 8 years, rode around in a Mercedes, Lexus, trucks, rock vet caddy. Bitches don't call me by my name, they call me daddy.
Say that you got it all. Tell the way you play your ball.
around, baby. Yeah, coming straight from that is no AK, no play. Matter of fact, listen to my baby. I said I'm doing what I gotta do, staying true to the crew. Check it. I said I'm deep down and dirty, I grew up hella early. Feel me? I said I fantasize about the dreams, having big fancy things. I can still remember when I stole my first diamond ring. I'm deep down and dirty. You heard me before, but I'ma kick this shit like I be kicking in some front doors. Now po-po or 5-0, straight on that real. Always been real. 15 blocks down the street from that field. But still, see, nigga just got it wrong. That po-po is 5-0 and that is my home. Come and see me sometime. After that, I fuck that Remy, bust a rhyme and get a dime. And let's smoke, jump until that record dust. Fuck that bitch done. Ain't putting a penny in my palm. Understand this? I rose deep in the I've been down with the I get dirty in the and do a hoorah. That is the question. Devils be guessing, dumb questions, stressing. Living in the ghetto, hello, you better hear me. And if you don't, you better really try to feel me. I said I'm doing what I gotta do, staying true to the crew. So true. I said I'm deep down and dirty, I grew up hella early. Feel me? I said I fantasize about the dreams, having big fancy things. I can still remember when I stole my first diamond ring.
Whatever you want.
All Glocks down, arriving is the bulletproof lyricist. Ah, rude boy, big up, now hear this. I'm classic, like a Coca-Cola. Why don't you roll a L and make it spiffy? Are the L's twisty? Oh yes, let's get lifty. Long live the rugged female, have the beat, so all you gun waving, put down your Glocks, please. No need for playing the hard anymore. The bulletproof lyricist is knocking at your door, so open up, let me in, let's get nasty. If you wanna out freak that butt like a film by Heather Hunter, touch you, cut you, I might just bust you, bust your MC tongue trick, East Coast kid, how I swing, bounce to Brooklyn. No need to tell you what I partook in. Just know Heather B is back in town. There's no question. All Glocks down.
Glocks down. Hitting with that funky sound. I can break it down like whatever you want. Glocks down. Hitting with that funky sound. I can break it down like whatever you want.
The revolutionist, executionist, flip a 666, enter 39s, cause a crucifix. Each man holding, no man folding, coast clear and premieres in the green tank rolling. Prepare, get on your post and stand clear. They wanting to shut us down, but the home team's here. What? You act like it's sweet or something? This ain't no desert storm bullshit war, we all dumping. Code name Jamal Grenard, strapped with 6 clips of Teflon, suited to camouflage. Got Kevlar helmets with masses, wearing mob gear in case they try to infumigate us with gases. Mission to sink and destroy. We were sent to get rid of you, make the situation critical. First family will gradually lift that ass up like gravity and turn your body frame into a cavity. NFO, that's no fair ones. Watchmen 9 milli turn into a flare gun. Sparking with the same marksman, known for gunning and running up on them with the lemon squeeze and my gun barking. You heard? You know my family style. I'm going out with my gun in my hand like Big Mouth. I ain't got nothing to lose, so move on me if it's something to prove. Phone
There's
is
a war going on outside, no man is safe from.
So what you gonna do since you know now?
There's a war going on outside. It's impossible to stop.
This world's a twisted maze, but I got the swiftest blades. My swords, they can slice and dice precise ways. Those who come against me could get played, sprayed, and laid. No trace, just a glimpse of my face hitting the shade. Yo, look up, there's a full moon in the sky. And all my would-be enemies, yeah, they're soon to die. Living in this war zone, we frequent fly your dome. Many of us grow violent prone, ain't trying to be dying alone. So I'ma take the competition with me, Lord forgive me. But a whole bunch of blood-sucking punks is out to get me. In a flash of a moment, I slash vital components trying to scheme on me and my team, bitch. You know we own this. We can scrap with guns, knife, chains, and bats, whatever, baby. Erase that ass quick, fast off the map. Plus, they better bring medical attention after I sling my weapon. Won't be no recovery, no divine intervention, no prevention. from getting hung in the streets where I'm from. Enough bloodshed. This war's just begun.
There's a war going on outside.
I excel, then prevail. The mic is contacted, I attract clientele. My mic check is life or death, breathing a sniper's breath. I exhale the yellow smoke of Buddha through righteous steps, deep like the shining. Sparkle like a diamond, sneaker Uzi on the Allen. And my army jacket lining hit the earth like a comet invasion. Nonsense like the Afrocentric Asian, half man, half amazing.
Yo, float on this magnificent track, wise, intelligent, all-star Jamaican, yes, the rap vet. Reinforce your threat, who got the money to bet? Against the number one, holding down the position. Crush the competition with the limited edition. Heavy caliber rhyme, shooting down your peace sign, the war's on for real. Run, grab your shield, yo, meth, take the steel and let these cats know the deal.
Style blazing, iron lung on this collaboration. Money for the taking, I ain't sweating confrontation. With P.R.A., we beat the men's up tomorrow. Masked up, license to kill, bringing the horror to your house like Amityville. Keeping it molding real, niggas ain't supposed to feel. Hot nicks, you know the deal. If you read the resume, gives a fuck what niggas say. 10 boots to pave the way, here I come to save the day. Yeah, stop the fucking prep, transform the Mr. Meth. See that logo on my chest, save a damsel in distress. Hot shit in the song, gotta get until it's gone. Kids wanna get it on, get smacked up and shit upon. Ride till you prove me wrong, think you can do me, huh? Can't we all just get along in this modern Babylon? Dueling with my nemesis, laying down laws. Don't start if you can't finish it, I'm telling you, Paul. Got the power of a meteor shower, coming down on all you cowards, tricking your funds and sniffing powders, here we come. Straight from the slums, dynamic duo, son. Ghost Rider, Jonathan and Soul Brother number one.
Sending this one out to my man, yeah, Pete Rock, half man, half amazing. Bring it hot, nigga, for you. You know what I'm saying?
Through my travels, I try to take righteous steps, because right or left could mean life or death. No matter how trite it get, my sights are set, but it's twice the threat when the night's in depth. My mental windows refuse to close, they get exposed to the neighborhood info when the poison wind blows. A deadly plague spreading negativity viciously unto every city being ghetto misery. Don't let it get to me, live right or be left to die, but it can mesmerize if it catch your eye. Shines enormous from jewelry, vehicles and garments, but it's torment. Jealousy, drug wars, and varmints. Tallying, slowly turning into barbarians. More scary when the whole boulevard's carrying. Living in the world of sin. My ghetto girls and men waiting for the world to end.
Trying to paint a perfect picture in exile. Things you didn't know, never moving backwards. Complicated, know what I mean?
Machine gun rap for all my niggas in the back. Stadium pack, linebacker nigga, flash stack, see-through yellow lines. Rock a fly jersey in the summertime, guard. Magic marker rap, bleed Benadine, relax, wrote this. Coming at your crab ass, coping, snatch your ice off. Chilling in the back, throw the lights off. Waves, water blend, rhyme flowing, slow motion. Thick snare, I feelin' like a snail in the ocean. What's your wish? Wanna kringle like Chris? Melodic single dart, snap a nigga just like fish. You fucked up, some rich niggas you done test, yo. Select the wrong department, and niggas pulled up your dress, style molest that. Canal chain nigga, where your vets at? Flex and make me wanna bless that, yo. Saddam Hussein niggas, light the torch, we flaming niggas. Autograph that, flatten all the main niggas.
The world in the palm of your hand. 23 million of useful land. The seed in the black woman. Double LP from Wu-Tang Clan.
I hit you with the bombastic, resort to measures that are drastic. Meddling with veterans, you get your ass kicked. We make them bounce like we standing on elastic. With raw sound, stay away from plastic rap shit. The whole vibe got you captured. You stuck off the realness. I know they gon' feel this. All around the globe, most know what the deal is. When Tone Touch be up in the cut. So what? I let you know right from the get, I don't give a damn if you feel half the shit that I deliver. Cause most gon' bounce anyway while snakes slither. Renegade raid on your parade when I bring the best out. In case I got my vest out. Too many cheap shots throwing knuckleheads and stressed out. Just leave me alone, déjame quieto. Can I live me and my kids and my nietos? Work this plan so my fam can all get though. Bank that shit, buy a house, put off the Lexo. I'm still in the streets screaming, I got next, yo. First one reppin', first one to step in the arena. It's hot in here like in Medina. I know mad cats that got slapped with misdemeanors. Sitting here sipping Bacardi and Hugo China, thinking ways to prevent my shit from sinking. Ride that wave all the way without blinking. Leave all you sucker MCs dead and stinking.
That's right, that's right. Tony Touch. That's right, that's right.
Big L, Coleon, aka Tommy Gibbs, Flamboyant Entertainment, DITC, forever. Word up. Tired of these punk niggas, oh. You gon' hit them like this. Check it out. Yo, why y'all standing on the corner, bummy and high? I'm out buying the finest things money can buy. Cats frontin' like they holdin', but them crabs is broke. Chipping in for $10 bags of smoke. All on my back because of the fame and the wealth. You melt groupie, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Plus I'm running with dogs who bust slugs at the heat. I be the MC who mad chicks be loving to meet. And I'm not just a rapper, I got drugs on the street. I swear you never catch Coleon with lugs on his feet. If you think I'm not nice as whoever, then put your money up. Put your jewels up, whatever, put your honey up. Put your raggedy house up, punk. I shut your mouth up before I buck lead. Make a lot of bloodshed, turn your tux red. Far from broke, got enough bread. Mad hoes, ass beavers, I can let you butt head.
To the tick, taking your dough, quit. Let no man stand in between you and your dope and shit. Being broke is a bitch, y'all. There's no such thing as quit, y'all. As long as you breathe life, you gotta get y'all.
My mindset, sun got wet, I'm vexed really. They snatched off his Rolex, smacked his bitch silly. Why niggas acting illy, word to Willie, bout to feel it. I feel it, we should've been dealt with it. Them niggas sour, they put too much flour in they coke. It got the nerve to wonder why they broke. While we was gleaming, niggas was scheming. Seen the ill beamers beaming, triple beaming, doubling cream. Had them fiending to get their fingers on the dosa. I call Sosa, these niggas hit the guard, bring the toaster. Meet me in the bridge, I'm about to go loca. Left my rap begging me to stay a stroker. He came through with two fly bitches, Venus and Vicious with two Macs inside the Volvo. What up, guard? I'm still sober. I need some hen to bend me over. My nigga have got a soldier that's getting down. It's going down, kid. I heard he might not live. I'm holding back tears. Told these broads to put it in gear with two females that don't smile, digging they style. Yo, what up, son? These niggas done started something wild. You know the click well. Ramel with the gold in his grill. Try to get a name, holding it still. I paid attention to the females. Maintain bitches when it get real. Souls pulled me close and told me the deal. He said both hoes appeal. Spray shots and reload and still handle the wheel. Point them out, smoke a feel and chill. I laid back, Escobar status. Knowing the firm got it cornered. We on it, shit we was born with.
Spark the lie. QBC, yo, was do or die. In this business and trifeness, I finesse this. For RD, we chef shit, perfection. Albert Einstein minds connect with. There you.
Mic check, here I go again. Check me out, bust the flavor. You know my clout went from rugged. Funk's the contact I hit you with to make your head split, trip and do a backflip. I swing it hardcore like an orangutan. I bring it wicked and freak the funk swing like goddamn. Yeah, dude, gnarly fucking A. I don't play though, my nickname ain't Clay, it's the E double. Macaframa, bust the grammar, my style
style is sickening like Rosanna. Plus, I'm funky like Atomic Dog. Boy, you can't see me, I'm thicker than fog. So save that drama, here's a floppy disk, don't risk it. Booyah, that's my biscuit. On the mic, I cover every angle. A square, tripod to a rectangle. I mean that with a passion, self-being. When I rock the mic, it's worth seeing. So cop a squat and parlay with the EOICK while I'm hitting switches. Off and on, off and on, it's on. 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 Hitting switches.
Hopping like a rabbit. When I take the Nina Ross, you know I got to have it. I lay back in the cut, retain myself. Think about the shit and I think it well. How can I mix my grip? And how should I make that nigga straight slip? Set trip, gotta get him for his grip as I dip around the corner. Now I'm on another mission, wishing upon a star. Snoop Doggy Dogg with the caviar. In the back of the limo, no demo, this is the real. Breaking niggas down like Evander Holyfield. Cheer to the next episode. I make money and I really don't love hoes. Tell you the truth, I swoop in the coop. I used to shoot hoop, but now I make hits every single day with that nigga, the Diggy Dr. Dre. So lay back in the cut, motherfucker, before you get shot. It's 187 on the motherfucking cop. Brothers Temple, see what's happening. You taste the bass flow coming from a zero. Tell me what a sissy know. Funkin' lesson is a new flow. Stalking, walking in my big black boots. Living off the earth, eating herbs and fruits. The children await me by the mountain and the river and gather round the fire for the scroll that I deliver. Let's speak of a house that's from the sand to the sky. And devils ever doubt and wanna measure how high. Your logic reveals you, your mind can't catch it. Dimensions of a god go far beyond brackets. Come into my oven, devils, come and you burn. I can always feel a vulture with the strength and black word. You're pissing me off because you swear you're higher level. Back to your cave, get yourself together. Chili and McGilla, chocolate and vanilla. How can polar bears swing on vines with the gorillas, please? Check your reasoning cause it's something amiss. My home is the void, you drown in abyss. I teach you funk code and don't preach a rap rhyme. Harambe to the sun as the mortals ask time. What time is it? The funkin' lesson comes, the sundial speaks. What time is it? The building of the strong are the lessons of the meek.
In the mothership, better known as a deuce, and we all wanna smother shit. Front and back glass got tint, trying to get our hands on some dollars and cents, and fools can't hold us. Every chance we get, we hitting up the roads, coming up short of the green guys. And I might start slinging bean pies or the bootleg T-shirt of the month with "You can't touch this" on the front. I'm out to get rich, cause life ain't nothing but money and fuck a bitch. They drop like dominoes. And if you didn't know, Ice Cube got drama hoes. So after the screwing, I bust bust a nut, get up and put on my weight. I'm out the door. All you might get is a rubber on the floor. Cause I'm ready to hit the road like Mario Andretti, bitch. Cause I'm steady mud. Bustin' cops in the mix. Rather be judged by 12 than carried by 6. Cause I'm getting major. Fuck Pac-Tail, move the sky pager. Told all my friends, don't drink 8, boy. Cause St. Ides is giving ends. Fools get drunk and wanna compete. Slap boxing in the street. Niggas get mad, tempers are flaring. Cause they got a few bitches staring. Just for the nappy heads. But scandalous bitches make for happy feds. I'm making my duty to cuss them out cause I just don't trust them. And if you tell on me, I'm bombing on Betty. Bitch should've known I was steady mine.
Something telling you a fool. The let girl treat me so cruel. But nevertheless, vixen, you got me waiting, sitting in my car, waiting for you.
I got a girl, but I'm about to switch all that. Because my girl be tryna play me like the bitch all that. Should clock the daughter for acting out of order to impress a girl who to me knock her out the water. But because the kiss wears love, though when I see a friend it's like the wears off, I don't bother. While she wanna kiss and then cuss her full of hate. Get a friend, mission impossible. Cause she's the one the hun chose to boast to. The way that her and the is so close to be a waste. So make music in my basement. Don't cut her off until I find a good replacement. One day I jumped in my Jeep, drove her to her friend's house. Cause the hun was sleeping over, my girl was acting fine. And then the slime switched, wanted this. I said it's over, you wasted time. Tried to kiss a friend twice, then a third. She said, stop, Rick, but didn't tell a friend a word. I went to bed, here come my girl, touching me tenderly. Snuck out later, girlfriend wasn't acting as friendly as before. Because she swore I hit her.
Well, if you ain't love her, why'd you go back to bed with her?
But I didn't.
Sure you ain't.
Now the hun badgering. I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe I'm imagining a lover.
Got Rick sitting right here, waiting for you, my dear. Wondering if you're ever gonna show you out. In my car, waiting for you.
When the la-la hits your lyrics, just picture head so hard that your hat can't fit you. Either I'm with you or against you. Format bent you. Back through that maze I sent you. Talking to the rap inventor. Nigga with the game type fifth, that flame right. Spell my name right. B-I-double-G-I-E. Iced out, lights out, me and Caesar Leo. Getting head for some chick he know. See, it's all about the cheddar. Nobody do it better. Going back to Cali, strictly for the weather, women, and the weed. Sticky green, no seed, bitch, please. Papa ain't soft, Derek no good. Ain't no love lost, got me mixed up. You drunk them licks up, mad cause I got my dick sucked. And my ball fit, the game is mine. I'ma spell my name one more time, check it. It's the N-O-O-R-I. U.S. Just lay down slow. Recognize the real dawn when you see one. Sipping on booze in the house of blues. I'm going back to Cali, Cali. I'm going back to Cali, Cali, Cali. I'm going back to Cali, Cali. I'm going back to Cali, Cali.
Oh yeah, worldwide. Stop. West side. Yeah. Mac 10 with the dog pound. Yeah. And the hits don't stop. Sucker, but I'm cabin. Check it. Hey, Dad. Hey, look. Check this out, dog. Now when I come to y'all hood, y'all watch my back. And when you come to Inglewood, I'ma front you a sack. So we can grind and get away with the cash like a caper. Cause it ain't about the cent trip, it's all about the paper. Made of poverty seats on the rise like ye. A Bombay Lex piece and I keep my khakis creep. Mac 10 is the lick, and you know what my set be. Connect gang, nigga from the west where the best
It
be.
ain't no questions asked. You down to blast for me, down to ride for me, down to die for me. I come through for these sucker
come creeping on them slowly, but shorty show them depth. Pull out the Mag 90, automatic for static. Blast a couple of niggas, leave them all panic. We swerve and hit the curb, smoke some murder. We came up too much, too tough and too rough.
We in the war zone, with the war zone, where your gun, nigga. Show 'em where you from, nigga. Riding ass, young nigga, Arsenal equipped. Hot enough to scorch with the double fours on the hip, rolling with the force. He's out to catch a body. Talking about I thought this was a gangster party. Now he's walking around salty, used to see. Talking about was jumping. I'm about to get the pumping and start dumping on something.
You over there, party over here.
And if you want a trip, we got the straps near.
Cause niggas like us do platinum every year. And if I rule is fear,
you should've disappeared.
Now everybody in the house, throw your dubs in the air and wave them all around like you just don't care. Worldwide and dope, so nigga act like it's 7 back 10 in the pound. Cause you nothing but I'm serving.
Come on the track like da-da-da-da. With a throwback jersey and a fitted. Might blow a bag of Hershey in the Civics. Or might take sips of Army with a Chittick. I'm so sick with it. Lamping in the Hamptons. The weekends, man. The Stan Smith Adidas and the campus. Or playing guts on a cruise. Hermaid boat shoes. The Azar bucket on. I'm so old school. Yellow wristwatch. Gucci flip-flops. 6 top model chicks. Who is this hot? J.A. Ladies, tell me, say it now. Why? C. Mommy, why you playing with me? Ride with me. Get high as me. It's how it's supposed to be when you rollin' with G's. Ho! Back up in this bitch like whoa. Chigga get this whole shit jumping like 6 poles. He is I and I am him. Slim with the tilted brim or 20-inch rims. And if y'all got love for me, I got love for y'all. And if y'all go to war for me, I go to war with y'all. Oh, I saw a breeze through jeans is EV Zoo. She's responding, top is C. Bronson. We in Luan, getting our groove on. Buying out the bar on our way to Spa. She never seen 100 on the wrist before. Never seen 22s on the 6 before. I am killing them out there, they needin' first aid. Cause the boy got more 6s than first grade. The crib got killer views and square feet. You have to film MTV Cribs for a week, so sleep if you need to. Mommy, I will leave you right where you stand. No, I don't wanna dance. I just wanna see what's in your Frankie B pants. Waist is low enough to let your waist show. Top like a rock star. I got a fast car. We can cruise the city doing above 60. He is I and I am him. Slim with the tilted brim or 20-inch rims. And if y'all got love for me, I got love for y'all. And if
with Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick. Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it. With Rick Rock Beach, yeah, fella, I'll rock it.
I got my strap tucked in, vest tucked in, clip tucked in, hype. And move like a smoker on Bleem on the block. And don't be mad if your homies got shot. TJ, the nigga that you need in your life. I'm sick from the jaw, look at me on the mic. Crazy, gas break dip on you hoes. And if you feel hype, you gon' smoke up your bowls. Hanging out the sunroof, blowing it dope. The homie got the chop up under the peacoat. Go crazy, stupid, dumb, retarded. Northern California gonna shoot up a party. Left coast, best coast, aim it at your chest coast. Ever since Pac Dapper got about the west coast. So my nigga, we feeding for that. 40 Water Federation, nigga, bringing it back. Bitch,
Hype. Make them nosy neighbors wanna call the cops. Hype. Packing in them scrapers in them drop tops. Hype. Hype. Quick it up and down the block. Hype. Pull it over, don't stop. Hype. Like a baby mama, slap a baby daddy. Hype. Catching all on the hood of your body, daddy. Hype. Go, stupid, go. Yo, hype.
Mr. Double, Mr. Bob Double. 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 Mr. Double, Mr. Bob Double.
Mr. Dabalina, Mr. Bob Dabalina, Mr. Bob Dabalina, won't you quit? You really make me sick with your fraudulent behavior. You're gonna make me flip and then
a homie couldn't save you. Why don't you behave, you little rugrat? Take a little tip from the tabloid, because I know I'm not paranoid. When I say I saw you trying to mock me, now you and your crew are on the mission trying to hawk me. But it isn't happening, you fraudulent foes. You used to front big time, now I suppose that everything's cool since the style of apparel you adopted. You used to make fun of, but now you wanna rock it. So you gotta kick it with the homies. But BEL is already hip to your cronies. Me and CMP has thought about this, and never have we seen a brother who would help her like Mr. Dabalina.
Mr. Bob Dabalina. Mr. Dabalina, 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 Mr. Bob Dabalina.
From now and forever, it's the Liquid MC. From now and forever, it's the Liquid MC. From now and forever, it's the Liquid MC. Now and forever, it's the Liquid MC. Now and forever, it's the Liquid MC.
Danger, danger, Wild West Ranger, rearrange the mark as stranger. Behold, the look on my face, stone cold, with a red cowboy style that never grow old. I'm the Golden State Bear with a rough flair plus debonair. Time for me and mine, but for any kind I can't care. Stormy weather, rain, liquid. Before I go and Tony Toca, Tash and Exhibit. Breaknecks bounce with it when I spit it. Knocking this jam is a form of calisthenics. So let it knock when you mash it down the block. Rim spank with the car wash. Watch the bitches stop and look. Always stay 5 steps ahead. Hard at work while you tricks lay in bed. Dead to the world, but hey, Rue, he be the sun. Always burning, cause my job is never done. Run from one time, I'd rather dump an AK. That's for all the black and brown that got carried away to the morgue. When I look in the mirror, I see the Lord.
Oh my God. Since niggas wanna set trip, it's time to start the checklist. Task the liquid rama running through your city reckless. Blame it on the Hennessy, we drink that shit for breakfast. My style be standing out like my homie Tony's necklace. This is flawless rawness for you ballers. Nah, fuck y'all. This is for my drunken alcoholics. Nah, fuck that. This is for my homie Tony Touch. I told you, homeboy, we come through in the clutch. New York, LA, it's not the same thing. Y'all niggas rob out here, we gang bang. Guns through the ammo. Niggas think they Rambo. Standing on the corner with their khakis and they flannel. Damn, yo, flow sound just like these. Who wanna battle 3 G's for T's? Please read it off the lips of the Alki bum rusher. I fuck you up so bad, Tony wouldn't wanna touch ya. I fuck you up so bad, Tony wouldn't wanna touch ya. Let's get
Cameron Giles, and I'm mixing better in this entertainment, and we're gonna rise to the top. Check up the Chancellor and Troy Capo.
Hey yo, you might see Cam in designer underwear, no recliner leather chair. Reminders everywhere. How we pull up in the whip, the miners stop and stare. And when it come to girls, they behind us everywhere. I mean, when I hang up on them, they pressure it down. I mean, what the fuck is it? Why you stressing me, child? It'd be one thing if you were finessing my style, but when I go to court, you know the dress of the trial. You're not my wife, so if I act for head, I'll be foul. You better be down. Only question, better be how. Threaten me now, bet me down. No girl dating me now. In the SC, we're gone. Are you sexy and thong? If your sex and it's Lex and your head be the bomb, I get you that shit that Gretzky skate on.
What you mean, Gretzky beyond?
Ice.
How you gonna buy me diamonds?
Shut the fuck up. Is for hire, mamacita, please, señorita. We're gonna rise to the top. Horse and carriage, see my love's for hire.
Yo, hey yo, I love when cats think they're bigger than a sumo. That's when I hit them with a little Puerto Rican judo. Oh, you don't know what that is. That's when I say, you don't know who got this is.
And you don't know.
Your guns is hand me down.
And you don't know.
We'll put you where you can't be found.
And you don't know.
You bet to toughen up.
Cause you don't know.
nigga will fuck you up. And you don't know? Baby, we don't need you. And when it come to Jimmy, my name's Me Too. Cause when he got cash, I was like Me Too. And when he got ass, I said Me Too. And when he got the drop, I was like Me Too. And when he almost got shot, I said Me Too. What you get now is just a preview. We all tinted out, your car see-through. I see
your hands, everybody, if you got what it takes. Cause I'm KRS and I'm on the mic and Premier's on the breaks.
Was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume some skirts for the eve, so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you search know what's up with 213.
So I hooked select on 21 and Lewis. Some brothers shooting dice, so I said let's do this. I jumped out the ride and said what's up. Some brothers pulled some gas, so I said I'm stuck.
Since these girls peeping me, I'm gonna glide and swerve. These hookers looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking Warren's wealth. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my strap and lay them busters down.
They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly, let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the clip and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn cold. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
I keep forgetting we're not in love anymore. I keep forgetting things will never be the same again. I keep forgetting how you made that so clear. I
I'm about to get dope. It ain't nothing but some shit I wrote. About a young brother, deep in the game. They call me Mac Dre and I'm keeping the name. Listen up, I'm about to get dope. It ain't nothing but some shit I wrote. About a young brother, deep in the game. They call me Mac Dre and I'm keeping the name. I sport Nike shoes, I got a mic to use to talk bad about suckers, I don't like the fools. Down and dirty about spitting my hits. And if not, I'm getting my grits. Playing the game like it's supposed to be played. Making much more than a minimum wage. Not a pimp daddy, don't drive a caddy. I just make and get all that babby Dre. You know I never slow down, smoking zesty until I'm really towed down. Walking to the party, fully perched. Grab the microphone and let the mouthpiece work. I get hyped, and the game starts flowing. The girls get freaky and it starts showing. And when the party's over at the end of the night, they say, damn, Mac Dre, you ain't nothing polite. Cause I'm the numero uno, can never be the dose. A Mac named Dre and I'm popping the most. 18 making raps till I'm 80 though. And too hard for the fucking radio. Too hard for the fucking radio. I'm too hard for the fucking radio. I'm too hard for the fucking radio. I'm too hard for the fucking
Ren is the villain and you're just a hostage. So whenever I'm stepping, cover your head like an ostrich. Groupies been waiting for this, suckers been hating for this. You know why? Cause so many y'all relating to this. Jealous is how they're feeling intentionally, but then start to love it because I made it eventually. Pumping the music, I keep the music like pumping. Cause Ren ain't in it for nothing, I keep the average crowd jumping. Yo, you know the color, the villain's in black. Always down to make noise and attack, so you better get back. Unless you wanna come with it and make your face like a target and close your eyes when I hit it. You're screaming with fear, but it's with fear that you're screaming. You're waking up in a sweat, cause Ren is giving bad dreams. And I'm not scheming, I'm just telling the facts. That's how it is when NWA starts to jack. So brothers, they wanna scrap with me. That squeezing and sneezing won't last a lap with me. Especially begging to write some lyrics with me. I just snatch your girl to take a nap with me. Cause when it comes to Ren, there's no comparison. And if you try to be me, it's quite embarrassing. But I understand cause you're mentally slow. Cause I can tell from the jump, you're too nervous to go. If it ain't rough, it ain't me. Gangsta Black and he's about to attack. If it ain't rough, it ain't me. Let me bust a freestyle then. I bet. I can tell that you're afraid to fight me. Simple because you lost the crowd. And they had to invite me because your sweat is a puddle. But they're the puddles of sweat. I'm a threat, so get a cold rag and wipe your neck. And clean the dirt off your face that cause acne. It's ridiculous thinking that you can jack me. This is the round where the punch will go until your H-E-A-D that's known as a blow. I'm making a point, but it's a point that I'm making. Like, see, I'm hating the fake and I keep the suckers like shaking. Scared to speak with a thought when they're chosen. The sound of my voice in their ear and they're frozen. This is a battle to the death, it's like the same old. Against a brother on a tip with a cane go. Giving them pain, but it's with pain that I'm giving. But I'm comparing and tearing them, but I'm making a living. With the hype of a 9-volt battery. And the odds for me to conquer, it's averagely good. Meaning I'm a flow. I'm from the streets, so yo, I'm ready to go. If it ain't rough, it ain't me. You're in. Gangsta Black and he's about to attack. If it ain't rough, it ain't me. Man, what you gonna do now? Get funky.
poet likes to spit. Kareem, that's my dog. Life behind the walls, living life behind the walls. Yeah, welcome to Oz. Surprise. Keep your head right, keep your game tight. You might not make it through the night. So crooked. The poet likes to spit. Kareem, that's my dog. Life behind the walls, living life behind the walls. Yeah, welcome to Oz. Surprise. Keep your head right, keep your game tight. You might not make it through the night. Hold up, this ain't nothing but war in here. We overpacked in here. You put more in here, about to rain like snow and let it all go. Father Ray Cutter. I'm gonna need all the prayers I can get, cause I'm through with this shit. Hit up Tim, yeah, tell me something good, man. Cause I'm so discombobulated being out the hood. I don't know if it's a bad or a good thing. Missing Cadillac switches in the wood grain. Don't touch on my mattress, it ain't cool. Simon on the yard straight tripping on food. CO so crooked, come equipped when the shank sticks. Yeah, that's my dog. Light behind the walls.
DJ Willie Old School Mix. Let's get down with the get down.